jet engine to destroy. So, we're building this model jet engine here. We've got the old technician on the go here. So, we're not sure how we're going to blow it up yet.
Contact.
Yep, 5, Mr. Kirk. What are these final bits?
Yeah. I don't think it's anywhere near.
You will get some speed to it. Nothing. Oh, they are just the other ones that are doing it.
But what we have got, we've got the 50,000 RPM ripper, and that's so far ripped everything apart so far. And if that doesn't do it, we've got 100,000 or 95,000 RPM one here.
I think it's going to be that one.
You reckon that one?
No, that's a, yeah.
We go with the 50,000 first.
Start with the ripper.
Start with the ripper. Whoop, boom. Alright, so we've got 50,000. Alright, so we've got 50,000 RPM ripper motor, we've got the Haynes turbine engine, we've got gas, we've got flames, we've got protection. This is going to get messy, I think.
When do you'll have to let me know when to
I
finish.
think
Just
low
go whenever
speed,
you feel like you want to go.
low speed, and then see if we can get low.
Oh my god! What the fuck? What's going? What's going? Oh my god! Oh shit!
Yes! Oh my god!
I knew that was coming.
Oh my god, mate! That was wicked.
What happened to the blades of the
It exploded.
turbine? Did it just go?
The ripper motor wins again. Nothing so far has killed the ripper motor.
Look at this!
I took
Yeah,
more than
I
I
saw
thought
that.
though. I was getting close to full throttle.
Was it?
Close, yeah.
I couldn't believe the
He's trying to find people. Yeah, kept going. Yeah, I think we need to get some fresh air in there. Open that front door, man. What happened, Spike?
It melted, Kev. It melted.
There's the back end of it. Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's still
Hey.
melted. Look at the state of that. What even was that part?
That was the cone thingy on
Sorry,
the back.
mate.
Oh look, it's all melted the blades in here, sucked it back into here. They've all gone wobbly.
Oh, it's seized.
Is it? Oh yeah, oh that's just...
All the blades are gone. I'm going to be finding these blades for weeks. Look, there's blade down here, look.
Yeah, look, oh, what?
There's blades here. There's blades here. There's blades here. Oh look, there's blades all up the stairs.
There's blades over here.
Oh my god.